Do you want to know how to heat milk for hot chocolate? Keep in mind that heated milk will indeed help you a lot in your recipes. Besides, a mug of warm milk is undoubtedly a treat on its own. That is why it is best to heat the milk slowly. Also, avoid overheating the milk since it can lead to a scorched taste. Microwave method. Before anything else, make sure to pour your milk into a microwavable safe container. After that, be sure to microwave it on medium-high power. Also, ensure to stir every 15 seconds. With that, do so till the steam starts to rise from the milk. Bear in mind that room temperature milk is better in recipes than cold milk. For that reason, it is best to utilize the microwave. Doing so will take the chill off milk that is fresh from the fridge. Additionally, you can heat 1 cup or 250 milliliters for about 40 to 45 seconds on high. Because of that, please note that you should base the heating time on a 700-watt microwave oven. Moreover, make sure to heat 1 cup or 250 milliliters on high for 2 or 2.5 minutes. Double boiler method. For starters, make sure to put milk in the double boiler's top. Because of that, you can use a heat-proof bowl. Afterward, ensure to set over a saucepan of simmering water. With that, be sure to heat till there is a development of bubbles around the edges. Likewise, steam starts to rise from the milk. Also, keep in mind that stirring will stop a film layer from developing. Alternatively, be sure to stir frequently over medium heat till steaming. Do this, especially when you are warming milk directly in a saucepan. Why it's best to add milk to a hot chocolate. Essentially, the creamier the hot chocolate will be if the milk has a high fat content. In addition to that, it is necessary to monitor the temperature. For hot milk-based drinks, 140 degrees Fahrenheit is best. Whereas 160 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal for extra hot drinks. Hence, it is always best to consider these temperatures whenever transporting beverages. Also, consider that it is best to whisk regularly and heat gently. As a result, the milk will not scald. Additionally, the whisk is the most effective equipment to incorporate ingredients into your warm milk. That is why it would help to select a whisk appropriate for the volume. Because of that, make sure to whisk vigorously. By doing this, you will have to melt the chocolate smoothly. Besides that, you will prevent it from clumping. Moreover, make sure to utilize a silicone or plastic whisk when using a non-stick saucepan. The main reason is that metal can indeed damage the surface. Ultimately, with regards to purchasing milk, it is always best to go to local brands. The reason is that they have excellent quality. Things to consider on how to heat milk. Cow's milk. Essentially, milk is sensitive to high heat. For that reason, if you expose it to high temperatures for an extended period, it will lose its nutrient value. Also, keep in mind that heating milk in a microwave will result in uneven hot spots. As a result, it can cause sudden scalding burns. That is why it is best to learn the most effective approach to heat cow's milk. In this regard, you must ensure to bring it to a slow simmer on the stove. Furthermore, be sure to pour the milk into a tiny saucepan. With this, do so over medium heat. Afterward, make sure to stir the milk slowly with a spoon. In so doing, it will warm equally. Then, lessen the heat to medium-low. Next, put the chocolate and cocoa powder. Bear in mind that it is optional to do this. After that, stir the mixture. Always remember to heat the milk till bubbles start to develop around the edges, or when the cocoa and chocolate develop a smooth consistency. For the most part, you need to add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder per 2 cups of milk. In addition to that, add 4 ounces of chopped chocolate to create hot chocolate. Breast milk. On the contrary, make sure to warm breast milk to room temperature. You can do so by putting it under warm water. In line with that, make sure to pour the warm water into a deep bowl. After that, be sure to submerge the bottle of breast milk. Also, if possible, do not forget to keep the bottle's nipple away from the water. Doing so prevents any contamination. Not only that, but also make sure to empty the bowl when the water cools. And have regard to refill it with warm water whenever appropriate. Moreover, ensure to remove the bottle from the warm water. After that, move the bottle in a circular motion. In so doing, it combines the nutrients within the milk. Afterward, to test the temperature, you can pour a drop of milk onto your wrist's back. Because of that, the milk must feel warm to the touch. Tips on the best ways to heat milk. If you have a baby, never warm their milk in the microwave. The main reason is that microwave does not give equal heat. In addition to that, it creates scalding hot spots of milk. Also, it is never best to overheat the milk on the stove. Due to this fact, it can ruin the nutrients within the milk. That is why it would help that you monitor the temperature. Not only that, but also utilize lower heat settings if you are not sure. Nonetheless, never rush the process. Remember, it takes approximately 3 to 5 minutes to warm the refrigerated bottle of milk. Also, make sure to thaw the frozen breast milk in warm water. With that, be sure that it does not stay there for more than 30 minutes. Keep in mind that it is okay to microwave the milk. However, you can't entirely control the temperature, including the heating process. Besides that, the foaming increases in overall volume. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.